All right, right now we at this AutoZone. You understand? This is one of the best places to go to just get some simple stuff that you need but don't need but need at the same time, or you didn't even think you needed. We go down from the batteries, and trust me, you rather come here because a lot of times they have lifetime warranties, either 3 year, 2 year, just a good warranty. You understand? Most of these shops, I hate to talk bad about these shops. They don't want to use the stuff you bring there. Not only because, well, let me retract. It could go both ways. Because some of them don't like honoring their own shop warranty with other people's parts. Because, people go there, they scam. They try to bring not so worthy parts to their store. They install them, it don't work. Now the customer mad, back and forth bicker. But some of these shops, they actually want to get you on a small upcharge because it compounds. Yes, the small upcharge might be 20, 30 bucks or whatnot, but imagine they go through 5 customers a day. Now you got times that by 5 times 5, 25. It's made extra $250 in a week. Just upcharging about 30 bucks or whatever it is, who knows? You understand? But hey, these Duralast, great, awesome. But then we have little things here that you might not think that you need. These right here are lifesavers, literally. If you got an older vehicle, even some newer vehicles, they go on your windows, your side windows too at that. Your little rear view mirrors, sorry about that. Rear view mirrors, you understand? It gives you a better visual, just in case. You got some radar detectors, stuff like that. But then you got the security. So people don't understand. This right here is an insurance discount. Buying these and telling them you have this on your vehicle gets you a small but worth it insurance discount, and it might save your car. Those Mopar guys, get it. Run to the AutoZones. Grab it. Get it. It's at all auto stores, don't get me wrong. Great purchase. The people that be working on stuff outside, different things, lock your ladders up, lock your tools up. Get it. Then they got different horns, all types of stuff. And this is the bare minimum type situation. You understand? This store right here is just a plethora of goodness. You understand? They got paint matching. You get a scratch, a dent. You can do it all here. It's like the Home Depot of cars. And people don't understand that. You need a jump box. Jump boxes don't cost that much. Get your car back. You don't have to call the tool truck sometimes. You understand? You don't have to do that. Just come and actually just buy the product. I hate to tell you that. Look, start dead batteries. Look at this. It's awesome here. They got even stereos, and these are not bad. These are